Alright, I've had the Soundcore Space One Pros for 4 months now, testing it on and off, comparing it with other headphones, and also putting it through real-world use. And after all this time, I've got some thoughts. Is this the ultimate budget-friendly ANC headphone for 199 or 350,000 naira? Or is there a catch? Trust me, you're gonna want to hear this, and so without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. Cracking open the box, you're greeted with a simple, pretty setup. No unnecessary extras here. Inside you get the Soundcore Space One Pro headphones, a USB-C cable for charging, and a 3.5mm jack cable for wired listening when you don't want to go wireless. Soundcore also includes a small carrying bag, which isn't the most premium case out there, but it gets the job done when you need to keep your headphones protected on the go. That's pretty much it, straight to the point, no fluff. First up, let's talk about the design. The Soundcore Space One Pro comes in 2 classic colors, a creamy white and the jet black, and they certainly turn heads with their sleek look. Don't let the plastic construction fool you. They feel sturdy enough for everyday use, even if sometimes I worry I'll snap them when I grab them too quickly. One thing I love about this is how big the ear cups are, and they can actually rotate a full 180 degrees, making it more comfortable no matter how you wear them. You can wear them in this direction or face them upwards. Plus there's a handy slide adjustment on this headband to get you a perfect fit. Now if you're someone who loves to travel light, you really appreciate the fold design on this headphone. Yeah. These headphones can literally fold into a ball, which makes them noticeably smaller than most other headphones out there. And this is ideal for tossing in your bag without taking much space. I do not really like this little carrying bag because I would have preferred a hard case for some added protection. One small caveat as far as the design here would be how they stick out a bit when you're wearing them, so you'll definitely be making a style statement. That said, for how compact and travel friendly they are, it's a trade-off I can live with. When it comes to comfort, Soundcore really got this one. The adjustable headband makes sure these fit a wide range of head sizes, and the memory foam ear cups are really comfortable. They feel like a soft cushioned hug around your ears, making long listening sessions so good. So whether you're traveling, working, or just vibing to your favorite playlist at home, this fits snugly without feeling too tight. The Soundcore Space One keeps things smooth when it comes to connectivity. With Bluetooth 5.3, the connection stays, I would say, rock solid whether you're paired to a phone, a tablet, or a laptop. And yes, multi-point connectivity is here, meaning you can stay connected to more than one device at a time. Perfect for switching between your laptop and your smartphone. Just keep in mind that if you enable LDAC for higher quality audio, you have to say goodbye to multi-point pairing. It just works with one device at that level. Now let's talk about the controls. Everything is button based, so no touch controls here. The right ear cup houses your volume and play pause buttons, while the left ear cup is where you find the noise cancelling button, which I personally love because it's the same spot as the Sony XM5s, which I have here, and I'm used to that layout. I mean, it feels natural. What's even better is that you can customize what the single press, the double press, and the long press do through the Soundcore app, so you can tweak the controls exactly how you like. One thing to note is that these won't work while charging, and the USB ports can't be used for audio, meaning you can't plug them directly into your phone or PC via USB. However, if you prefer a wired connection, these support pass-through audio, so you can use a 3.5mm cable and even when they are powered off. That's a solid backup if you ever forget to charge them. Now let's get into the juicy parts. The noise cancellation and sound quality. The Soundcore Space One Pro comes packed with a 4-stage ANC system, powered by 6 microphones and AI processing. It simply means these headphones do a solid job of blocking out airplane hum, office chatter, and general background noise with impressive precision. You also get 5 levels of ANC strength here, so you can fine-tune just how much noise you want to cancel. And when you need to stay aware of your surroundings, the transparency mode kicks in, letting outside sounds in without you having to take the headphones off. One feature that stands out here is the speak to chat. When it's enabled, the headphones automatically turn down ANC while you start speaking and re-engage them once you stop. It's super convenient for those quick conversations, no need to fumble for buttons or take off the headphones. Now onto the sound quality. The 40mm dynamic drivers deliver a punchy, immersive sound with a bass heavy tuning right out of the box. It's definitely fun and energetic, but not the best I've heard out of the box. However, here's where things get really interesting and exciting. The real magic happens in the Soundcore app. With EQ customizations for personalization, you can tweak the sound to your liking and bring out the best of what these headphones can do. There's also Dolby Atmos support, which delivers a wider, more immersive soundstage, perfect for music, movies, or even podcasts. Now, if you're using these headphones for calls, this is what they sound like when talking on the phone. So this is basically what the person at the other end of the phone is going to hear when you use this headphone for a phone call. What do you think about the quality? Let me know in the comment section below. So I'm going to place this pair of headphones on this device and you guys are going to hear what the headphones sounds like. And this is how we're going to run this test. I'll play a song from my iPhone here and you guys would hear it through the headphones. I'm going to play background noise using my laptop and occasionally turn off or toggle the noise cancellation with this headphone. So you tell me what you think about it. Let's get started. I think you guys should be hearing the song now. I don't know how loud it is, but let me take it to a reasonable volume. There we go. So I'm going to turn on the background noise right now. So that should pretty much give you an idea of what the noise cancelling on this pair of headphones sounds like. What do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's talk about the battery life because let's face it, nobody likes charging their gadgets every few hours. With ANC turned off, you're looking at about 60 hours of playback. Even with ANC on, you still get a solid 40 hours with this headphone. And if you ever find yourself in a pinch, a quick 5-minute charge gives you about 8 hours of listening bliss on this device. So if you forget to charge them before your trip, no worries, you're covered. So USB-C is how you charge these devices and you get a cable in the box like I mentioned. So the Soundcore Space One Pro headphones are good for $199, $200, and that's around 350,000 naira. They deliver great sound quality, impressive noise cancellation, and unbeatable portability. Sure, they lack some features like the auto pause feature. Even cheaper headphones will pause when you take them off your head and continue playing when you wear them back. But that's not the case here. Also, this isn't going to be the best low latency gaming headphone, but the overall package is hard to beat. The other route to consider here would be to add $50 and get the Sony XM4s. I have this old one here. And I think that's better value for money in my opinion as far as the sound quality and the active noise cancellation. So what are your thoughts on the Space One Pro? Drop your comments below and let me know. You can check out this video where I covered the best headphones for under $50 or this one where I covered the best headphones under $100. See you there. Cool that day.